This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Emily Need. Enjoy incredible panoramic views of both the Chesapeake Bay and Lynnhaven Inlet. This 5th floor 3-bed 2.5 bath penthouse unit boasts cathedral ceilings in the dining, living room and owner suite. Open floor plan, hardwood throughout, gourmet kitchen with quartz and high-end appliances. Primary bedroom has custom walk-in closet and spacious spa-inspired ensuite with rain shower, jetted tub, and heated floors. In this gated condominium community, storage abounds not only in the home, but in the 2-car garage and storage within. The community features secured building entrance, a pool and a clubhouse with gym, plantation shutters throughout, and many more upgrades. For more information, review the details below.